Traplet's range of modelling and craft tools includes this all-purpose airbrush kit. This is a reasonably basic item, but ideal if you're starting out in airbrushing. It comes complete with a can of air. It also comes with an adapter if you want to move on to a more complex compressor to give you a constant flow of air and not have to keep changing cans. It comes with 3 different types of nozzle. The red one is the small one for very fine lines. We have the yellow, which is for the large wide lines, and an intermediate orange one, which is already part of the airbrush. We have 2 different paint bottles supplied as well. You can see there's a slightly smaller and a slightly larger one, again dependent on what job you want to do. Whether you're spraying a larger area, you might want to use this one, or perhaps a small fine Airfix type model, you might want to stick with the smaller one. They simply clip in, they're a push fit into the back of the nozzle that you're using, and then by pressing the button on top, you can hear the air flowing, and because they're what we call a single action, the air and the paint will flow together and you simply spray the job concerned. So here we are set up ready to paint. We've got the bottle attached. I'm using the red fine nozzle in this instance. Can of air is attached, we're ready to paint. So as this is a single action airbrush, a press of the button should start the paint flowing and we can begin painting. Airbrushing is all about practice, and by widening the nozzle, which adjusts here, screwing in and out, you can adjust the paint flow and thus the size of the line that you get. But I must stress, it is all about practice. Being a single action airbrush, it probably suits the slightly larger painting jobs, cakes, ceramics, larger models where you've got a reasonable area to paint.